Hi, and welcome back to India Roundup, brought to you by DIGITIMES Asia. We are here to keep you updated on the latest tech and manufacturing developments shaping India's electronics industry. Here's what you might have missed this past week. A new wave of semiconductor startups is emerging in India, driven by veteran executives from global tech giants like Intel, AMD, and TI. These startups are tapping into India's evolving semiconductor landscape and a growing demand for AI processors. Among them, C2i Semiconductors was founded by 4 former TI executives in Bengaluru. The startup is developing energy-efficient AI chips and recently raised $4 million. It also received backing from the Indian government's Design-Linked Incentive Scheme. Meanwhile, Intel alumni Sambit Sahu and Raghuraman Bharatwar co-founded Bodhi Computing, which has since been acquired by Ola-backed AI firm Krutrim. Their first chip, Bodhi 1, is slated for release in 2026. In parallel, Agrani Labs, launched by ex-Intel and AMD engineers, is reportedly in talks to raise $8 million. Other rising players in India's AI chip ecosystem include Incore, Mindgrove Technologies, and Agnet Semiconductors, all of which have secured early-stage investments. These developments align with the Indian government's broader efforts to promote domestic chip design and build a resilient semiconductor supply chain. In related news, Tata Electronics is reportedly exploring the acquisition of a semiconductor or OSAT facility in Malaysia. This would enhance its backend capabilities as it scales semiconductor operations in India. Apple has expanded Tata Group's role to include after-sales repairs for iPhones and MacBooks in India, following Wistron's exit. Contract manufacturer Dixon Technologies is also in the spotlight. The company has applied for government approval for a joint venture with China's HKC to manufacture display modules in Noida. Meanwhile, India is considering stockpiling rare earth magnets and offering incentives to counter China's export controls. This move is seen as vital for protecting electric vehicle production and national security interests. On the policy front, India has published detailed guidelines for its EV manufacturing scheme. The program offers duty incentives for importing high-end EVs in exchange for firm investment commitments and local production targets. Lastly, in a notable education initiative, OpenAI has launched its first overseas academy in India. The collaboration with the India AI Mission aims to expand AI literacy and training nationwide, offering content in multiple languages and formats for students, civil servants, and entrepreneurs. That's a wrap for today's Roundup. If you found today's episode useful, don't forget to subscribe to DIGITIMES Asia and share it. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.